So now let's see how we can work around with the Blur and Sharpen tool inside of the color page in Davinci Resolve. So to do that, over here you can see that I already have a footage opened up. So if I were to go around over here in the Blur and Sharpen area, then you can see that I got three options. I got radius, I got let's say like SV ratio right here. That is horizontal and vertical ratio, and I got scaling, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and change the radius up right here, you can see that the video blurs out. But if I were to bring the radius down right here, then what happens is that the video becomes sharper, as you can see right here. It gives a bit more sharper look. So if I were to increase out the radius to the top, then what I can do is I can work around with the height, and that is the horizontal and vertical ratio right here. So if I were to bring this up right here, you can see that horizontally it feels like the blur is being stressed out. Whereas if I were to bring this down, then you can see that it is being stressed out vertically now, just like this. So this is what you can do with the SV ratio right here. But if I were to bring the radius down right here and make it sharper, then what I can do is I can work around with the size of the scaling right here. So if I were to bring this down, then what happens is that the scale of the sharpness decreases. But as I increase this, you can see that I get more like bigger sharpness areas being covered right here as I bring up the scaling just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. So apart from this, let me just reset everything right here. So what you can also do is you can go around and then increase and decrease the radius of, let's say, certain colors for the sharpness as well. Let's say if I were to go around and then unlink this and increase out the red, then what happens is that only the red color becomes, let's say, blur out right here. I can go around, decrease the green right here to make the green much more sharper, and blue right here and make it much more blur. Or I can go around, make everything blur over here as well. Let me just go around, decrease the green right here, and let's say I want to make the blue channel and the red channel blur, and that is something that you can do as well. So similarly, I can unlink all of these, and then I can work around over here to change around. Let's say, for example, here I have blurred out, so I can go around and change around the value of the red to make it much more, let's say, for example, stressed out right here, just like this. And you can experiment around with different options. For the green, I haven't really changed out much, but I'm just making it more sharp. So you can go around and make the green much more sharper. That allows the green to actually pop out, as you can see as I scale this out, as you can see right here. I can go around with the blue. I can change around the horizontal and vertical ratio right here, and this is what you have. And that is how you can work around with the Blur and Sharpen option inside of the color page, as you can see. And you can also go around, change around the coring softness right here, and change around the levels over here as well. And you can see how it is affecting on the color spectrum as well for more detail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.